Hello everybody. How are you everyone? So let's enjoy my boat trip with my family. Yeah, this place we call it Kean Svay district. It's about 19 kilometers from Phnom Penh, and you can see a beautiful lake and a raft house floating on the lake. Yeah, it's made from the bamboo. It's come a various shape and size. So, yeah, normally I always come here with my family. Is my popular place and enjoy so much when I come here. And you see on the both hand side of you can see the green floating on the lake. It's called Complak. I don't know in English, but this place very popular for local people. They always come here and relaxing during the weekend. It's a great place for picnic, and you can buy anything at the market. It's near here. Yeah, so you can take anything from home and enjoy drinking, fishing, relaxing. Yeah, so it's so nice atmosphere around here. And during this day, it's a winter, a reason for my country. So it's so nice. We really enjoy so much on the way on the boat, like have fun and teasing each other on the way with my family. And boat fees only $5 for come back and round, and they give two trip. Yeah, go back and round, go back and round. Yeah, it's just about $5.
Giờ tao bị gạt tôi camera bị cô thì má mình đâu có vậy.
And you can arrange a raft house floating on the lake. Is about one raft house about $5. Yeah, and if anybody they don't have transportation, you can hire a tuk-tuk. Yeah, round trip for the waiting about $20 for the driver waiting. But if you can book a pass up, it's about $8 for one way. Yeah, so it's a nice place. I recommend everybody when you come to visit in Cambodia, you better come here. You really enjoy time with your friends. Yeah, because more no like normally people they enjoy fishing, also have a lot of fish, and then they can fish over here, drinking, relaxing with your family. So let's enjoy my road trip tour. Okay, everybody. អូខេអរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានតាមដានទស្សនាវីដេអូមួយនេះសូមជូនពរឲ្យសុខភាពល្អទាំងអស់គ្នានៅក្នុងក្រុមគ្រួសារជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយៗទៀតចាស់ជម្រាបលាអូខេ Okay, thank you so much everybody for spending time watching my video. Wish you all the best. See you next time. Have a great weekend. Enjoy time with your family. And sounds nice to hit the subscribe button to see my next video. Okay, bye bye all my lovely friends.